It all started with Junket deep-throating slug ass. Someone named Henic saw it and asked me if I could join their Rainworld map. For anybody who doesn't know, maps are these public collaboration projects where animators willingly join and then they make a whole music video. Rainworld has an industrial amount of them. I decided to accept it, apply, and land on their Discord server, which had all the info on art direction, background reference, and each part of the video. I picked part 6 because nobody likes centipedes. Unlike these dot cats and iterators, the centipede had no design, so I had to create it from scratch. Added cute eyes for purely aesthetic reasons. Soon I model and rigged the 3D model and then a rough animation. It doesn't look like much for now, and I have no idea what to do with those legs, but they ate my art anyways. Now here's a rare footage of me making a background. I use a technique called photo bashing, in which you use online photos and textures to make a background. It's pretty efficient for someone like me who is lazy to draw backgrounds. I also export each individual element of the background. This is to make the centipede interact with it. Now it was time to skin him alive and color him. This is the first time I record my process using Photoshop, and I have to admit it looks really satisfying when sped up. Now here's a showcase of the model. And here's the final animation. And that's it for this video. I have to go now because I got invited to another Rainworld map.